Hello dear student, this is Ankita from the race classes. Now today I am going to start a topic measurement of capacity. In our previous video we have learned about measurement of length, measurement of mass. Now it's a time to study about measurement of capacity. Can you guess capacity is what or which type of object we are going to measure in this one? Can you guess? You don't know? Okay, basically we are going to measure different types of liquids. Like this is your water bottle here. In this is your filled water bottle where we are having liquids present in it. This, like if I'll ask you what is the total amount of water we can fill in this one. So this bottle is around 1 liter. So 1 is the number but liter is your unit. Understood? Through this topic we are going to learn about different units which we are going to use for finding the liquids. Understood, no? To find the units of liquid we use this term capacity. Understood? So basically this is clear from you what type of object we'll use. We are going to use the objects of liquids to find the measurement of capacity. I hope you are clear with this one. So let's begin our class with the topic measurement of capacity. So first of all, before beginning of this topic, I would like to tell you there are certain standard units which we are going to use for measurement of capacity. Like you have listened also, liter and milliliter. I hope you are sure about it. We are going to learn about not only these two units, liter and milliliter. There are many more units. In our previous video also we have seen there are many units for length also, for mass also. Similar to that, there are many units for capacity as well. Understood, no children? But standard units are your liter and milliliter. So let's begin the class. Get ready with your pen and copy to start our journey now. Here, first point that we are going to write about it, measurement of capacity. What is the standard unit for it? So standard unit for measuring this capacity is liter. So first point which we are going to mention from here, the standard units for measuring capacity is what? Any guess? Any of my children know the answer? Is liter. Spelling is L-I-T-R-E. In short form it can be written as liter. Like in previous videos we know about short form of meter M, centimeter cm, kilometer km, this kg, kilogram kg, gram g and milligram mg. These all are your standard units. But here we have another one that will be your liter. It can be written as L. Understood, no? Now let's move to the next part of yours. That will be, if somebody will ask you what is your next unit for measurement, that will be your milliliter. Sure children? So the another unit, another smaller, it is not standard, you can say small, the another smaller units used for measuring what? Measuring capacity is milliliter. I hope you are clear about it. First is your liter, another one is your milliliter. These will be your long form and in short form it can be written as M and L. Children, please make it sure M will be small and L will be the capital. This is a perfect way to represent. Most of the time people are going to write it about ml. Clear, no? But is it correct? But as per the standard when we are moving, it can be written as milliliter. Understood? So this ml can be written as small m and capital L. Clear? So these two important points that we are going to learn. First will be our liter and second will be our milliliter. Third point that we are going to remember about this will be our if somebody will ask you 1 liter equal to how many milliliter? Second, which unit will be bigger, which unit will be smaller? So liter will be bigger and milliliter will be the smaller one. Please write the next point of yours, that will be your remember. In this remember, first point which you are going to write like 1 kiloliter equal to how many liter? The biggest unit in this one will be your kiloliter. Like in previous one we are having kilogram and kilometer. In this we are having kiloliter. So what you can write, 1 kiloliter equal to how many liter or 1 liter equal to how many milliliter. Understood, no? If somebody will ask you 1 kiloliter equal to how many liter? That is your general questions you are going to ask with. So let's put this 1 kiloliter equal to how many liter? How many liter you are having for 1 kiloliter? You are having 1000 liter. How many thousand you are having? You are having 1000 liter. Clear? Kiloliter is your bigger unit. Liter is your smaller unit. That's all. Understood? No? Next, if somebody will ask you 1 liter equal to how many milliliter you are having? You have 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. See children, again and again I am mentioning this as a capital one. These all things you have to keep in mind. Understood? No? You are not supposed to mention. You can mention, that's all. Nobody is going to notice. But to make a difference between other way of writing and your way of writing, you have to make this segregations. Understood? No? The way we are going to segregate this one, this makes differ other from you. That means you have to explain these things. So please take a note of this page so that I can go with the next one. Next will be your, again with the same, in previous video we have discussed about the relation. Here also we are going to discuss about relation between different units of capacity. In our previous terms, we have learned about milli, centi, deci, gram, deca, hecto, kilogram. Same we are going to apply for liter as well, because these three are your standard units. Clear? So you will write your heading, measurement different units used to measure capacity. Clear, no? Again now a little bit faster we will explain, because already in previous videos you have came to know about this one. So we have the little more discussion about the next one. That will be your first will be your, only all the terms are same, only this units will be different. 1000, next will be your 100, then you are having tens, then ones, then short form of tens, then you are having hundreds, and at last you are having thousands. I hope you are clear with this. Understood, no? Now we are going to represent in their form, that first we are going to represent in previous one milliliter or milligram or millimeter. Here we are going to write it. The beginning one is your milli word is common in all three. Only you have to add here liter. Clear, no? Milli will be copies in for mass also as well as for length also. Then milli, centi what? Liter. Milli, centi, deci. DECI LITRE. Milli, centi, deci, liter. Then decaliter. Deca. Next will be your hectoliter. Only we are using this word liter everywhere. Deca, hecto, kiloliter. In previous video we learned, like in previous slides we learned that 1 kiloliter equal to how many liter? So we are having 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. That means liter is here and your kiloliter is here. Clear? That is the difference. Now you can turn 10, 100 and 100, and when you are going to multiply this at 3 place, at this is your 1's place means 10, 100 means 100, and here you are having 1000. That means at 1's place we are having 1. When you are multiplying 1 with 1000, then you will get 1000. That's why 1 kiloliter will be equal to your 1000 liter. Clear? Now next we are going to represent this in our short form. When we are going to talk about the representation in short form, let's have the quick recap. Milli, centi, deci, liter, deca, hecto, kilo, liter. What we are going to write? Milli, centi, deci, liter, deca, hecto, kilo, liter. First will be milli, can be written as ml, cl, dl, l. Clear, no? Please recall with me. Milli, centi, deci, liter, Then you have decaliter can be written as DAL. Next you can write this as HL. And last one you are going to write it as what? KL. That's all. I hope you understand. ML, CL, DL, L, DAL, HL, KL. Basically we are using these short forms. Students, we are not going to use these long forms again and again. That's why you have to remember these short form again and again. Clear, no? I hope next one what? When we are having the thousands parts, we are going to represent like 1 upon 1000. When we are having 100 part, we are going to represent 1 upon 100. Again when we are having 10th, 1 upon 10. 1, then 1, then 10, tens, 100, 100, and for 1000 we are having 1000. Bigger points, smallest. When you are converting smaller to the bigger, that will be your smaller, this will be your bigger. Can you guess which operation you are going to use here? Please just flip your pages from the previous one. You have to recall at least something that what you are going to learn. Which one you are going to use here when you are going to convert milliliter to kiloliter? Do you have any idea when you are converting milliliter to kiloliter which operation you will use? Okay, I need this answer in comment section. And when you are converting kiloliter to centiliter, which operation you will use? Whether you will use multiply or you will use divide. I also want the same answer in comment sections. Now let's have the discussion with the next part of us. Please take a photo, this screenshot of this one. If you want, you can arrange this in box as well and classify it accordingly. Write this one. Clear, no? Every time you have to remember their place value, their representation, their short form, and their mathematical representation as well is very, very important to solve the numericals. Clear, children? Now take a screenshot. Let's move to the next part of yours. Next for us will be your conversion of unit. Next part for us is what? Conversion of units. Previous one also you have learned when we have to convert this bigger units to the smaller unit, what we are going to do. When you have to convert smaller unit to the bigger unit, what we are going to do. So these all things you know already. This is just the recall from the topic. Let's have the quick recap. First will be the topic for you is your conversion of units. Please note it down. Please note it down. That will be your what? Remember it. That will be your conversion of units. Conversion of units. If you know the answers, you can give it in comment section. First point of yours is what? To convert smaller unit to the bigger unit, what you will do? Or to convert bigger unit to the smaller unit, what you will do? So let's take the first example. To convert higher units to the lower one, what you will do? To convert, multiply higher units to lower units. That means kiloliter to milliliter. You will, what you will do? You will multiply. To convert higher units to lower units, we are going to multiply. We multiply. Clear, no? Which operation we are going to use? We are going to use the multiplicative part of this one. Next will be your to convert smaller units to, in place of lower units you can write smaller as well, higher units, we divide. We divide. Understood, no? Please don't make any confusion over there. Note it down. To convert higher units to lower units, we multiply. To convert lower unit or smaller units to higher units, we divide. Understood? Now next will be your, next of yours will be your liter to milliliter conversion. In the same topic we are going to discuss about liter to milliliter conversion. What is the name? Liter can be written as liter to milliliter. Basically 2 units we are using a lot, that's why we have the conversion with these two. Liter to milliliter. Clear, no? Please note down this heading. Like first of yours is given, if you have 1 liter equal to how many milliliter you are having, children? Please share your answers in comment section. I will write all the answers at the last. After seeing your comment in comment box, I'll go with it. Second, when you are going to write like 1 upon 2 liter equal to dash milliliter. Clear, no? Understood? Now third of yours is 1 upon 4 liter equal to dash milliliter. Clear? And last will be your 3 upon 4 liter equal to dash milliliter. I want to see your answer in comment sections. Let's see who is giving the answers relevant with the same whatever I have asked. Please give your answers. Please give your valuable answers now. Now next for you is given like 1 liter will be your 1000 milliliter. Now you can check your answers also, whatever answer you have given, whether it is correct or not, you have to check from here. 1 liter will be your equal to 1000 milliliter. Understood, no? Second, you are having half liter. Like I have shown you one bottle, no? In that, one complete set of bottle is your 1 liter. If that bottle is half, how many water you are having in milliliter? You have 500 ml. So what answer you are having for this one? 500 milliliter. I hope you are clear with. Now if you are having 1 upon 4 liter. 1 upon 4 liter means what? 2 upon 50. 250 milliliter. Now for 3 upon 4 you can go with what? 750. These all are the things you have to remember it as a very important point. Clear, no? Understood? So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Next you are having half liter equal to 500 milliliter. 1 upon 4 liter equal to 250 milliliter. 3 upon 4 equal to 750 milliliter. Understood, children? Again and again you have to recall these important terms while dealing with this important chapter, measurement. Understood? Now let's move to a common example to solve and understand the particular topic that I have taught, and that will be your with one example we are going to deal with. Write that example fast, and after that you have to understand whether we are using that proper conversion or not, then we'll go with it. Like if your question is given, simple question I am taking, that already you know the answer, you can give your answer also. If it is written, not this one, convert 12 liter to milliliter. You can notice it here again and again. I am using only the short form to make you understand what is the short form that we got. This is liter, L-I-T-R-E. This will be your milliliter. Most of the time you are confused in writing the spelling as well. That's why with the short form, it's easy for you to just avoid your mistakes as well. See, I have also done, but here that will be your capital L. I have already instructed you in previous slides. So what you know, since, or you can write, we know that 1 liter equal to what? How many ml? 1000 milliliter. That you know, children, very well. To remember also, I have made you to write that one. Now, since, or you can write therefore, 12 liter equal to what? 12 multiplied by 1000 milliliter, and your answer will be 12,000 milliliter. Simple answer. It is what? It is the conversion of bigger unit to the smaller unit. And through, remember, in the previous topic only, in this previous slide only, I can see, you have seen that when you have to convert higher units to the smaller one, what you will do? Or higher to the lower one, you will multiply. And when you will convert smaller to the bigger one, then you have to divide. That's all. This is the first numerical we are going to solve. Please note it down. Now next is your next example. Again I'm going to, this will be your first one. Second of yours is given. Second of yours is given. If you have to change the numbers of decimal to that, like if question is given, change 1.6 milliliter to liter or 1.6 liter to milliliter. So here we are going to convert a bigger unit to the smaller unit. That's why 1.6 liter to milliliter. That is also very easy. You cannot say that it is very tough and you are not able to solve. Same process you have to do. Like 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Then 1.6 liter equal to what? 1.6 multiplied by 1000. And when you are going to replace this decimal, like just after the decimal we are having only one digit. So one of the 0 will be cancelled from 1000. And if you are going to talk about verbal hidden, now I have explained the step. Can you please guess the answer? After multiplying 1.6 with 1000, when you are removing 1 0 and here you are getting 16, then what will be your answer? Can you please guess? If you guess, please write your answers. Please write your answer. Directly I am going to do from this one. Like here you will write, since 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Understood, no? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, and next when you are going to write 1.6 liter equal to 1.6 multiplied by 1000 milliliter. Now please guess the answer. Please guess the answer before I am going to give. Please just share your answer with us. That will be your 1.6 liter. I told already, here just after the decimal we have one digit. So we can replace this with what? With the 1 0 we can cancel and directly we can get the answer 1600 milliliter. This will be your short form, you can see. Now 16 liter is your which unit? Liter is your bigger unit, whereas milliliter is a smaller. That's why we use the operation multiply over there. Understood, no children? Now again, please note it down. These both examples are very important to understand the concepts so that you can solve the questions or numericals which is given in your book. Note down the things fast. Then I'll give few examples that you have to solve and tell me the answer. I have one video, I'll make one more video where we can solve only the numericals based on our topic. I'll explain you the different easy tricks also to solve that one. But today, this is brief. I have explained only to remember you the things in your exam time as well. So that if you have to see the things in deep, you can watch this video to understand. But one separate video we have for numerical as well. Understood, no? So some questions I am giving you. You have to solve and share your answers in comment section. Like first will be your first question of yours is given, convert 6.82 liter to milliliter. Clear? Second question of yours is given, convert 1 liter 250 milliliter to milliliter. And third question of yours is given, convert 1950 milliliter to liter. You are just going to write the big one. It can be written as liter. Here we can use all the operations that I have taught you. Clear, no? Based on this, we have many more examples also that we are going to discuss. But first of all, you have to solve these problems and share your answer. Now, apart from this, measurement of length, measurement of mass, and measurement of capacity, we have one more topic, like if we use our operation. We are going to use our operation like multiplication, addition, division, and subtraction, or you can say addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then also we have many numericals based on our topic. Understood what I said? Like if you are going to give you one common example, here in place of measurement of capacity, our topic will be use of operation in measurement. Or you can simply write operations on addition and subtraction. Simply first we are going to discuss in that. Please mark the heading, use of operations solve problems based on operations. Again and again I am telling you in all my videos, whatever we have learned, that we have 4 operations: plus, minus, multiply and divide. Use of operations to solve problem based on mass, length and capacity. Now children, with all the parts of this video, we came to know about these 3 terms. I hope you understand also about this one. Now, for example, if I take you first one, 2 example I will take you for this one. Like if I take 16 meter, clear, 25 centimeter is added with 10 meter and 14 centimeter. This is just the simple addition I am using to make you understand. One way you can write like this and you can directly find the sum. Clear? Another way, you can just classify the same, like you can classify this as a meter and this as a centimeter. In first you can see in meter part what is written 16 and in another part it is written 25. I have segregated this as per their units. Next it is written what? 10 and then it is written 40. Afterwards I have used the operation this one. Let's begin. Now let's add the number. When you are adding 5 plus 4 you are getting 5, 4, 9. 2 plus 1 we are getting 3. 6 plus 0 you are getting 6. 1 and 1 you are getting 2. That means your answer is what? 26 meter 39 centimeter. Here also you can see 4 plus 5 you are getting 9. Same centimeter you are going to copy here. Next 2 plus 1 we are getting, you will get 2 plus 1 3. Same 39 here also you are getting, here also only the way and this method is different. You can use both any one of the methods in your exam, but you can learn both the methods. Understood, no? Now second is 6 plus 0 you are getting 6 and then 1 plus 1 you are getting 2. That means 26 meter 39 centimeter. Clear? This is one example which we are using. Out of 4 operations we have used 1 operations for addition. Clear, no? Now I am going to take few examples for next one, like for subtraction. If your question is given, as per your class, basically these 2 operations were asked, addition and subtraction. For like example 2, if it is written kg and gram, if question is written in this format, like if it is written 21 kg, 16 gram, 17 kg, 10 gram. You have to subtract. I am taking the small number. In numerical part, many big numbers are also given that we will deal in our one numerical separate video. Now 6 minus 0, what you will get? When you are subtracting 6 with 0, what you will get? You will get 6. When you are subtracting 1 with 1, then what you will get? Obviously you will get 0 from here. Now when you are subtracting 1 with 7, you have to borrow it and you will get carry from this 2, and here it will be your, this will be cancelled and it will be written as 11. This one have borrowed the carry from this one. 11 minus 7 you will get 4. Here 1 minus 1, 0. So what answer you are going to get from here? Directly you can write 4 kg 6 gram. Understood, no children? After subtracting this one, you have learned to get this. What you have learned? You have learned after getting subtraction from these now, you will get the answer in kg as well as in gram also. Understood? Not only these 2 operations, many more are there, but as per your class, only these 2 operations are given. In that video which we are going to make for numericals, there I will teach you the way for multiplication as well as division also. We will solve such numericals. Till here, you have to read this again, you have to watch the concepts again, and you have to recall these things. Clear, no? So just watch, learn, try to solve the questions whatever we have given. and give your valuable answers in comment section. Clear, no children? Now just we are going to end up the class. For this video we have completed. Just watch me in the another video with another topic. So thank you. Have a nice day.